Okay, here we go. We're gonna open up my first pet box, which is for my 2 cats. Oh, nice, some catnip falling out. Their packaging's cute. It's pretty simple, but that's fine. I don't need it to be fancy when it's for animals. They're lucky they're even getting a pet box. Oh, I literally almost bought one of these today. This is super cute. So it's a Pet Zone plain squeak wand. My girls love these feathery things. It's perfect. This I think is like a catnip filled toy. Yeah, it says adult supervision recommended, so I'm pretty sure it has catnip in there. Oh, nice, wildly natural cat treats. I think they're like a vitamin protein mix. Cool. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little lemur, another little play toy for them. They'll love that. And the final thing is cardboard. One of my cats uses this and the other one needs to. She's been kind of messing with my rug lately. Yeah, so this was pretty awesome box. I would definitely subscribe to this again. Probably not monthly because they won't go through it all monthly, but this is an awesome box for 1 or 2 cats.